Having plugins installed on your website that are no longer required can cause performance issues, slow down the speed of your website, and make it less secure. It is important to remove such plugins in order to prevent any future issues. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP we will learn how we can remove plugins that are not useful to us anymore from our WordPress website. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first step is to log into our WordPress dashboard, and you can do that by writing your domain name /wp-admin. For example, for me, it would be justwinvalia.com/wp-admin. As soon as we land on our WordPress dashboard, we have to look for our plugins options from the left sidebar. So as you can see, plugins is right here, and we can either click on plugins or go to installed plugins from here. Awesome. So whatever plugins that you're not using or you think are taking up a lot of space, and you can have another alternative plugin to use, which is much better for you, you can go ahead and first of all deactivate and then delete them. So let's see if I have any plugins that I'm not using as of now. And I can see I have Google Analytics for WordPress by Monster Insights. So I can go ahead and deactivate and delete it for now. So we will hit on deactivate. You can choose any option you want. I'll choose this one, submit and deactivate. You can also skip and deactivate it. It's up to you. And we can just go ahead and let's see. All right, I found it. Google Analytics for WordPress by Monster Insights. You can hit on delete from right here. Okay. And voila, we have just deleted a plugin that we don't use or isn't relevant to us on our WordPress website. Hope you enjoyed that video. In our next SOP, we will be covering how you can update your WordPress plugins from your WordPress dashboard. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, any queries that you would like to ask us, you can go ahead and comment them in the comment box down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon. This is Justin Valia, and I will see you in our next SOP.